Hey guys, it's Jasmine back again today with a special video. As you can tell by the title, today we got in the Yeezys 350 V2's Desert Sage. This is special because I've never owned a pair of Yeezys, and basically because I never wanted to pay the price of Yeezys. So this is my very first pair. And so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I just got off work, very tired with the coronavirus going around. I work in healthcare. I actually work in a pharmacy, so it's been crazy. Shout out to everybody out there who is in healthcare or just on the front lines, and hope everyone's doing well. We'll get through this together. So I just wanted to put this content out there for everyone who's just bored at home. And I know this shoe is already kind of old. I ordered this on Goat on the day of launch, and it took just almost 2 weeks to get here. So I'm kind of upset about that, but you can't blame the mail about that, although it was kind of the seller who took forever. Let me know what you guys think about Goat versus StockX. I kind of wish I would have went with StockX. The price would have been cheaper for me. I usually go with StockX, but I watched Seth Fowler and he suggested to go with Goat, so it is what it is. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing because I've been waiting all day at work for this. So got my little Apache knife here. Once again, not sponsored, but it was free, so. Free minus the shipping. So let's try not to get the box, because if I do resell these, I don't want it. So I went the size 10.5. I don't know what size I am in Yeezys, but that's what I am in Adidas Ultra Boost, and I do have some room. I've never had like Yeezys before, so this is so cool to me. Okay, so we can see that they're packaged pretty nicely. Let's get rid of this box. Okay, so the box is in okay condition, I guess, buying from Goat. You kind of have like a crease on the top there. Here on the side we have Yeezy Boost 350. I probably said the name wrong. That's probably what I did. Yep, no, I didn't say it wrong. Okay. Yeezy Boost 350 V2 made by Adidas. Desert Sage. Let's see what these look like. Let's build up the hype. OMG, these are my first pairs ever. Hopefully they fit, guys. I don't really want to resell these. I'm hoping to get like the IKEA, you know, like shelves that like every shoe person has, you know, to feel my addiction. So like, here we go. Let's like do this right. Let's do this right. Ooh, here we go, here we go. Okay. Wow. So here is the shoe. Brand new. Wow. I want a quick look at the stitching here. If we look at the stitching, it's like you can barely notice it. It's like inside compared to other Yeezys. Man, these shoes are nice. And then we can see like the stripes right there as well. So let's continue with the unboxing. So I'll put that there. We have the Goat sticker for verification. We'll put that there. Here's our Goat. So we got shoe size. So I've never had a Goat. I've never ordered for Goat. My dad and brother have. I've always done StockX. So I've never had like the Goat authentication before. So yeah, it goes over quality control and authentication. So that's cool. We get the other shoe here. Man, these are nice shoes. I don't know if I want to sell these back. And there's the bottom sole with the boost here. Wow. Now I'm thinking of getting the laces that match this color. Now the reason I bought these shoes is because I fell in love with this color. I don't wear colors like this. But if I do buy shoes that are expensive, it's because I want to accent something. So usually if I'm wearing an outfit, my shoes are going to accent something. So this color right here is going to accent whatever I'm wearing. And of course this is the reflective. So I'm going to do a cool picture and I'll put it in here where this is reflecting in like a flash photo or something. Wow, I'm really impressed with these shoes. I gotta say, for my first pair of Yeezys, these are awesome. Something. So that's really awesome. I'm really impressed with these shoes and they're so comfortable. Let me know what you guys think of this colorway. And if you were impressed by this, these are honestly the first pair of Yeezys that I've actually liked out of the whole years they've been out. Out of all the years they've been out. And I really like these. I like the Cinders that just came out. And if you guys think I should do a video on that, let me know. I thought I was going to. I paid a hefty price. After tax, it was $315. Could have got them on StockX for $20 cheaper. I was a little bit upset about that, but that's what happens, I guess. So be careful out there. If you are buying privately, you know, people get scammed all the time. I would recommend only buying from GOAT or StockX, or if you know the person, or obviously if you can get it from Adidas themselves. I unfortunately live in a small town in South Dakota and we don't get these big drops. So thank you guys for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And these are the new Yeezys 350 V2s in Desert Sage. And please subscribe to my channel and there will be more content to come. Thank you, and we'll catch you guys next time.